Yo, whoa, Adrian, wow. And there you saw a random encounter with one of the CITCS students of UC, in other words, the University of the Cordillera. Anyway, back to our host, Mr. Reynaldo. Sir, what can you say about all of this? What is around us? In particular, that car over there.
I don't know who's here, but I think it's the US ambassador.
Very serious stuff there.
Very serious stuff there.
Yes.
The US ambassador.
Okay, let's check on Patrick. Where is he?
The Lowy.
Nasaan na siya? Uy, grabe. Nawala naman
Still
siya.
not here?
Wala na siya.
Wala.
Wala na. Iniwan na tayo.
Iniwan na pala tayo.
Wala na. Let's go.
Hey, Miss UC.
Ha?
Si Miss UC.
Sino Miss UC? Ano?
Si Miss UC. Sa'yo, hindi mo na.
Ay, sino yung naka... Yung naka-shorts?
Hindi, yung naka...
Ay, hindi ko napansin. Wala. Grabe, iniwan naman na tayo. And your genuine UC experience is brought to you by Smart. Not Globe, Smart.
Here you can see the College of Accountancy.
The College of Accountancy.
Ano yung mga subject?
Saan? Sige nga. Show me those subjects.
These are the subjects.
Wow. I can see... Ano yan?
This is the review class.
Pagalitan mo tayo dito.
Here you can see the BC power. Hey, hurry up. We're going back. Hurry up.
Results of the... we have the picture of our very own Carlo Duce.
And of course, Mr. Renz Maganda, one of our
photographers of the alternative.
Okay, now we're back.
We are now approaching the Altair, which is located at S217. Wow, S217.
Say hi.
Welcome to the Altair. And here we have our very own Mr.
UC.
Also known as Mr. Jericho. Some very handsome man there. Okay. He's making bunot yes. Ano yan? Secret stuff there. Secret stuff. Wow.
Judge.
My turn?
You make bunot?
Yes.
Judge now will make the bunot. Di ba yung number naman eh?
Ay, number siya? Ano? Okay.
And the lucky number.
Later you can look for the person here.
Okay.
So that you can see the name and the wish list.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ate Daisa.
Grabe.
Welcome na.
Mr. Kuha.
The Altair, home to Yoshi's finest photo writers, cartoons, and editorial staff.
Ay, talaga sinusundan? Kailangan.
Number lang.
Ang sabi kayo? Kung hindi sana magulo ko ngayon.
Ma'am, magulo ba ang utak niyo?
Kailan kayo? Ha? Oh, ano ba? Okay. Yung ano,
Later, you can check kung sino tsaka kung ano yung...
yung mga publication na yan, ibigay ko lang sa Fiverr.
Ang love team.
Our very own. So ano, paki-interview natin si Mr. Yusuf. So sir, what can you say about your 5 streak winning of becoming Mr. Yusuf? Still love rocks.
Ito yung mga slots. Ito yung award winning. Here are his awards. Awards? Awards? Ito. Nagre-record ba siya? Nagre-record. So, sir. Okay.
Wait. Careful.
What can you say about your award? It looks like a rock. Naiglo lang sa ano.
This is a real rock.
Batong naiglo lang sa ano. You okay, man? You okay? Whoa. It's like you're going through something really difficult. Whoa. You okay, man? We're here for you, man. Whoa.
You really love this rock.
And there you have it.
Such a
Mr.
precious rock.
Lucy. Up next, we have the one and only Joy to the world. Joy. Look, okay. Joy. Oh, grabe. Whoa. Did you see that hand motion of rage she displayed there? It was very intimidating. Rage. Now she is using her debating ability to try to discombobulate me.
Discombobulate?
Yes. Thank you. Say something. Now. Ano?
So cute! He's so cute, oh.
I don't know who she is. Okay, whatever. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, sino yan? Patrick, Sino yung mga yan?
They are next thing.
Ay, grabe. Grabe. This is what you call the legendary collection of friends where you collect and you select. This is the selection sheet of Mr. Patrick, the one and only Mr. Patrick. So, ilan na yung nasa collection mo, sir? Mga
More than 2,000.
Oh my god.
Can you tell us a joke?
Sige nga, joke time. Joke time.
Next week.
Next week pa lang.